tankless water heaters worth it? Absolutely. If they weren't worth it, everybody wouldn't be buying them. The problem is they're not worth it for everybody. I looked at installing a tankless water heater in my house, and I'm a plumber. Where my water heater is located in the garage would be perfect for it. I've got a nice little cutout for it, sets up 18 inches off the ground. I can put my water heater in there. Now, what was the problem is the vent pipe coming out of the top of it goes up through a chase, through the upstairs, then up into the roof. I did not want to have to cut open my chase upstairs in order to get the PVC vent up through it and out the roof to vent it properly. I also didn't want to have to run a condensate line outside and let it run into the open ground and leave it there all the time. So is a tankless water heater worth it? In most cases, yes it is. You need to do a gas load calculation chart to figure out, number one, can your gas system, your existing gas system, handle a tankless water heater? Your current gas water heater takes about 40,000 BTUs. A tankless water heater takes up to 199,000 BTUs. Anything bigger than that, it's called a boiler. That's why tankless water heaters heat so fast. The 5 times the gas load gives it enough fuel, enough energy, and enough heat to heat it up and make it do what it should do. So are tankless water heaters worth it? Absolutely. The ROI on it is fantastic. If you've got a gas water heater right now, or an electric, you're paying to heat that water and keep it hot all day long. Whatever your thermostat's set at, that's what that water is heated to all day long. So when you walk in that evening, you've got hot water. So is it worth it? Yes, the ROI is fantastic. But you've got to look at, are you set up for it? Is your house set up for it? Or would that be something easy to do later? That's how you handle that.